Okay, so once again, it's Adrian Martinez from your 6th period class, and here we have a left to right video, which would be a positive direction, for the steady motion video, 5 thingamabobbers. So this is the video that I filmed. There goes that, it's pretty quick. Close that up, and here is our thingamabobber. So again, I measured out his height, 5.583, but this time I laid it out along the x-axis just in case it makes a difference. It's about the same. It's like, I guess you could say this to this is like the same. Well, it's pretty much the same distance, so it's pretty accurate, I hope. If not, then I guess I'm dumb, but whatever. And here we go. We just play it out. And that's the data that we collected. And I chose his neck for a reason, because basically it's a semi-consistent place. Like, it stays at a steady pace along the x-axis, because y doesn't really matter to me, so since we're not really doing anything with it. But yeah, it stays consistent along the x-axis, and it's not like feet where, like, right here the foot's on the floor and then it goes back and then it swings forward, because that's not very steady. So I just chose this neck, and that's pretty much what I did for all these videos. And yeah, we'll just see how this goes. And then we go to Logger Pro. This is my graph. So you can see we have the data that I collected. So it's again position, time, feet, seconds. This time it's going positive, so it goes up and on the vertical axis instead of negative. And it's still positive time. This is fairly short. You see it doesn't even go to a second, because it was like a quick recording, because it was not like, yeah. So the slope, that's position x. M is the slope, so that would be, whoa, that slope seems, let me see if this fixes it. Nope, that's what it says. Okay, whatever. So what that should say, I'm pretty sure, is 15.46 feet per second, but it seems to be off, so I'm just going to try to fix this real quick. Let me see. Oh, that's the problem. So that should fix it, hopefully. Done. There we go. So he goes about 15 to 16 feet per second. The y-intercept is negative, but it's at around 0. I mean, like 0.02 feet. That's not really that big of a difference, and like, I'm a human, so I can't really measure that out. And correlation, that's pretty linear. He stayed at a pretty steady speed. So yeah, that is my video on steady motion in a positive direction, left to right, my bad. And yeah, have a fiend.